Okay, we're just a few days away from giving away this beautiful C10 truck, and we're talking about our favorite things on the vehicle. As a mechanic, I'm gonna go straight for the heart of the beast. So my favorite thing on this truck is the 6.2 liter LS engine. This thing is rowdy. We took this thing drag racing, and I had a hard time just pedaling to put all that power down. Gaining traction with this much power, it was a little tough, but that's a good sign. This engine is healthy. It's, like I said, 6.2 liters, and it's got all the bells and whistles on it. The main thing is this Fitech port injected dual quad setup. So this is a brand new product from them. It's got individual port injectors, but still that classic dual quad look. And it's just a great way to dress up an LS engine. Sometimes you just get tired of seeing that traditional LS manifold that you see. This thing is just way easier on the eyes, and it performs. A couple other things, it's got long tube headers. It's got a really nice accessory drive with all black anodized parts on it. So everything just ties together. All the goodies, like I said, custom upgraded radiator from Ron Davis, big aluminum radiator, dual electric fans, power brakes. I could go on and on for a long time on this thing, but I'll keep it short. This thing does have a nice cam in it, so it'll get you that rumbly idle you want, and you can really feel in the high RPM range, this thing really comes alive. So behind all that power, we have a SilverSport 4L65E. So that's GM's automatic with an overdrive. It's been beefed up with a custom torque converter that really helps make use of the camshaft in this. So all through the drivetrain, this thing is just stacked. I mean, you got all the best parts on it. It performs well, drives nice. What else can I say? I mean, this is just it's just got the wish list of everything you would want in an LS powered C10, and it's all done for you. Just get in, turn the key, go, enjoy the power, melt some tires off. So that's my favorite part about this truck, and I really can't wait to meet our winner. It's gonna be our 20th winner. We're gonna hand them the keys to this truck, and they're gonna feel all that power, so make sure you get entered to win.